In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Vanderbilt University. If you're planning to apply as a first-year student, the process starts by understanding that Vanderbilt uses a holistic review. That means the university looks at your full academic and personal profile, not just one number or one document. As you begin, go to Vanderbilt's undergraduate admissions apply page and review the options carefully. The first thing you'll need to do is choose your application platform and your decision plan. Vanderbilt accepts the Common Application, the Coalition Application, and QuestBridge, and the university does not prefer one over the others. What matters most is that you choose the platform you're most comfortable using and complete it thoroughly. Next, select your decision plan. You can apply through Early Decision 1, Early Decision 2, or Regular Decision. Early Decision Y is a binding option with a deadline in early November. Early Decision 2 is also binding, but the deadline is in early January. Regular Decision is non-binding, and the typical deadline is January 1st. Before choosing, make sure you understand the commitment level, especially for either Early Decision option. Once that's clear, begin preparing your required materials. You'll need your official high school transcript and school report, and these should reflect a strong and rigorous course selection. You'll also need 3 letters of recommendation, 1 from your school counselor and 2 from teachers in core academic subjects. It's a good idea to request these early so your recommenders have enough time to write thoughtful letters. Vanderbilt is also test optional for first-year applicants. That means submitting SAT or LCT scores is not required. If you decide your scores strengthen your application, you can self-report them during the application process. You'll also need to pay the application fee, which is $50, unless you qualify for an approved fee waiver. Some applicants will have additional requirements. If you're applying to the Blair School of Music, you'll need to complete a pre-screening and an audition, so be sure to account for that extra preparation time. International applicants may also need to submit proof of English proficiency through exams such as the TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo English test. Finally, pay close attention to deadlines and financial aid. First-year deadlines are typically January 1st for regular decision and in November for early decision. If you plan to apply for financial aid, Vanderbilt is need-blind for U.S. citizens and eligible non-citizens, and it meets 100% of demonstrated financial need without loans. To be considered, complete the FAFSA and the CSS profile on time. Take your time, stay organized, and make sure every part of your application reflects your best work. That's how to apply to Vanderbilt University.